Hi, I'm Naomi, member of Group 5. My presentation today is on uncertainty reduction theory. URT, as it is often referred to, is that feeling of being unsure about people that we have no knowledge of on first meeting them for the first time, and our motivation to get to know them in order to reduce that feeling of uncertainty. This theory was coined by Richard Calabrese and Charles Berger in 1975, after they both realized that there was a predictable pattern in the initial interaction between two people meeting for the first time. Let me provide you with an example. A few months ago, I started my dream job as a research assistant. The first week on the job, I was paired with another researcher for an important project. This made me a bit nervous. Here I am, a new employee, starting a new job, working on an important project with another seasoned senior employee for the first time. There was that initial feeling of awkwardness because I did not know her. As the days passed, I began to learn more about her through casual conversations, observing her work habits during lunch breaks and sometimes at staff functions. This helped to reduce that feeling of uncertainty I felt when we first met, which could have hindered our working relationship. The time spent in observing, asking questions, and mingling with her helped me to know her a bit better, so I was able to predict some of her behavioral patterns. In trying to reduce uncertainty, there are 3 different strategies that some people use to find out more information about the other person. Number 1 is passive, which includes observing in a natural setting. Number 2 is active, which is seeking information from others about that person. Thirdly, there is interactive, which is communicating directly by asking questions. There are a few basic assumptions of uncertainty reduction theory. It creates cognitive discomfort. It takes place in an interpersonal setting ranging from brief to enduring. Information shared is done over a period of time, and communication occurs in stages. The primary goal is to reduce the uncertainty. There are also several axioms. An axiom is a proposition that we assume without the truth, and these are used to describe the changes in the developmental stages with the quality and type of information shared within this theory. Verbal communication can be used to decrease uncertainty in the entry stage. There is also nonverbal communication, which refers to body language, gestures, facial expression, and eye contact. Information seeking happens by passively asking questions or simply observing the other person. There's self-disclosure, where information is given unwillingly between both participants. Reciprocity includes responding or exchanging information, such as asking questions about each other or even asking someone else. Similarity exists when knowledge of common interests are shared between the two participants as well. Lastly, there's liking, which are feelings of approval, and in this phase, it also reduces the uncertainty as well. Uncertainty reduction theory, although thought to be a controversial theory by some critics, is now being used as a tool by social media to understand the interaction of different cultures as well as socialization in some organizations. I hope that both Tara's video on the spiral of silence theory and mine on the uncertainty reduction theory helps in providing you with more clarity and insight into interpersonal communication within the workplace. Thank you for watching.